guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 16 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. 2 months later. So ito yung nasa ospital si Chuyan kasi may tumor siya. Yan! Si ex-husband. Anong ginagawa mo dito, ex-husband, ha? Syempre nagulat sila. Ginagawa niyo dito? Fu Chengxuan, are you really sick? What illness do you have? Why have you lost so much weight? Daming tanong, ha? Curious yan. I've been looking for you for the past 2 months. So 2 months, hindi mo talaga nalaman na nasa ospital siya. Wow, ha? Terminal illness, advanced stage. Sakit niya na. I have tumor in my brain. Parang wala lang sa kanya, no? It's you. It's all because of you. Ba, na-pinpoint pa si Kaya mo. Ano yan? Overnight lang? Nagkasakit agad siya kasi nakilala niya si Busi yan? Iba ka din, ha? Yan was fine before she divorced me, but after being with you, she got sick. It's all your fault. Wow, tumatik pa yung tumor pala. Kabubuhan nito. Scram. This kind of illness doesn't happen overnight, sabi ni. If we're really talking about responsibility, you should share some of it too. Tama. Sabi mo kayong binigay sa kanya na heartache. Do you know that after I married you, I developed depression? I couldn't sleep all night, had splitting headaches, and took piles of medication. Kita mo yan? Kita mo yan? Narinig mo yung sinabi niya? Grabe. After being with Sian, I became happy and my depression got better. He's my light and I love him. Oh, buti po si Sian. So siya pa yung dahilan kung bakit gumaling siya. It's other way around. Di katulad mo, depression binigay mo. I love you too. Oh, I love you too daw. Oh. Ito yung true love talaga, supposedly. It's just that they've met each other too late. Is it my fault that you're like this? Am I the root cause? Yes, it's you. No other than you. You're the main reason. Nagka-depression siya, anxiety and all. Yung original host. No. Step back. Di niya matanggap. Di niya matanggap na siya yung dahilan bakit nagkasakit yung babaeng mahal na mahal siya before. Na hindi na siya mahal ngayon. Sian, say it again. I want to hear it. Sabi niya first time niya sinabing I love you too eh. Kanina lang yan, diba? That's the first. I love you, babe. Oh, kakaiyak naman yarn. Oh. I love you too. Sa bagay, bago lang kasi sila eh. Then suddenly, lumabas yung result na may tumor siya. Kung kailan nagkakilala na sila. 1 month later. Parang ang bilis ng transition. 1 month agad. Nagmamadali yung story. The progress bar is already at 99.99%. I should pass away in these 2 days. So, mamamatay talaga siya? Mawawala talaga siya dito sa story nito? Iiwanan mo talaga si Sian? Sian, can you bring my cosmetic back over? I want to put on some lipstick. Nag-lipstick pa siya. Sure, I'll help you apply it. Di ba hindi siya iniwan ni Sian? Hindi siya iniwan, te. Sinabayan talaga siya sa ospital. Do I look ugly now? You look beautiful. You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Ganun sana lahat, no? Sana lahat. Sian, there's something I want to discuss with you. Ano naman di-discuss mo? Diba pati mga gamit niya siya nagliligpit? Love, kita mo talagang love ni Sian si Chuyan, ano? What is it? Pero kita mo din yung sadness sa mata niya. Ganda na pagka-drawing, no? Sad na sad yung face niya. After I pass away, can you have me cremated and scatter my ashes in the sea? I want to stay buried underground. Grabe naman to. Kakaiyak naman ng part na to. Nangahabilin ka na, te. Mang-iwan ka na ba? Also, I used to be stubborn and I told you not to have other women. Now I regret it. Teka lang ha, parang di ko gusto yung mga linyahan ni Chuya na. Nakakaiyak ka. Oh. You must find a woman who will treat you very well, accompany you through. Teka, kakaiyak na to na part ah. Chuyan, who do you think you are? Why do you have the right to dictate my life? Di ba? Pagalit-galit siya pero naiiyak na yan. Don't be angry. I'm afraid that after I'm gone, you'll be lonely. Don't leave me. Kita ko sabihin ko yan. You'll get better and we'll still travel the world together. Di ba? Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko din yan. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Ang bilis ng transition ng story to eh. Parang mawawala talaga si Chuyan, ano? Remember how you wanted to visit every Disney park around the globe? I'll take you there, and we'll watch every fireworks display together. Ang ganda pa naman ng mga plano nila, ano? That sounds wonderful. Traveling the world hand in hand with you, that's my dream. Oh. Sian, can we be together in the next life too? Next life na agad. Dapat gumaling ka pa, te. Of course, we'll meet again in the next life. And the life after that. O, diba? Diba, napaiyak si Sian? Napaiyak siya. Na-hurt talaga siya. Tama, at first, he's a cold-hearted president and then suddenly umiiyak siya ngayon. Yes, not just the next life, but also the life after the next and the one after that. Diba? Promise of forever si kuya mo. Pero oh my gosh, namatay siya. Namatay si Chuyan. Oh, namatay siya. Na magka-holding on sila. Ano naman yan? Naiwan si Sian mag-isa. Wala na si Chuyan. Patay na talaga siya. Doctor, di ko na kaya basahin. Kakatulo naman sa emotion to. Di ba umuulan kasabay ng emotion ni Sian? R.I.P. Chuyan. Matay na talaga siya. Bilis naman ng story. Ano ba yan? Sabagay, lilipat na naman siya sa ibang world. Di ba? Hindi nagsasalita ang ating bida. Yan. Yan, mukha mo, fo. Ikaw ang dahilan ba't namatay yan. Sorry, it's my fault. I'm the one who caused this to you. Come back, please. Kahit gaano ka pa magsisigaw dyan, hindi na babalik yan. I'll make it up to you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Kahit ano bang iharap mo sa kanya. Di na mabubuhay si Chuyan. Patay na siya dahil sa'yo. Take him away. No, I won't leave. Ay naku ya. Kahit magwala ka pa dyan, di mo na siya mabubuhay. Ikaw ang dahilan ba't na-depress yan? Ay, namatay talaga siya. Nakita na sana niya yung true love niya. Let me see Yan again. I haven't even had a last look at her. Wala na. Too late. Everything is too late for you. Mr. Boo, the funeral is over. You haven't slept for the past few days. Go home and rest. If this continues, even the strongest person would break down. Shakes head. A helicopter is waiting for me. I need to go abroad. Why the rush? Where are you going? Chismoso din to eh. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Nakakaitang chapter na to. Namatay si Chuyan. Naiwan si Busian. Tapos, grabe ang regret ni Fu Shun. But at the end of the story, ni female lead, natagpuan naman yung mga checklist, diba? Nakuha yung checklist, nagsisi yung ex-husband, she fall in love, naranasan niya paano alagaan at ma-in love with the right guy. Alright, that's it. See you in the next chapter, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.